How to use climber tree stand. Master it in minutes. To use a climber tree stand, first secure the safety harness, then position the stand against the tree and ascend by alternating the platform and seat. Ensure it is properly attached before climbing. A climber tree stand offers hunters an elevated vantage point, but proper usage is crucial for safety and effectiveness. Beginners and seasoned hunters alike must prioritize understanding how to operate these devices. The process involves securing both the seat and the platform to the tree trunk and moving upward while maintaining safety measures. Each movement should be methodical and secure, always keeping in mind one's personal safety and the integrity of the equipment. This introduction outlines the fundamental steps for deploying a climber tree stand, placing safety and simplicity at the forefront of any hunting excursion.
Visit our website to know more about this. Link in the description below.